Struggling to get local customers to your website? Namecheap's hidden local tool can fix that in minutes. You poured all that work into building a site, but it feels like you're shouting into an empty room, right? The neighbors don't even know you exist. That is incredibly frustrating, and I have been there. But here is the good news. Namecheap has a feature built right in that is designed to solve exactly this problem. It is called the local tool, and most people completely miss it. So here's the plan. I will show you exactly how to set up Namecheap's local feature to attract nearby customers, step by step. By the time we are done, your website will finally be working for you, bringing in the people who are already searching for what you offer just down the street. Let us start by navigating to Namecheap's domain registration page. You are going to log into your account like you normally do. Once you are on the main dashboard, you want to head over to the main domains section. This is your home base for everything. Now, look for the Growth Tools section. This is the key that unlocks everything. You will see it in the main navigation menu. Click on that. This is where Namecheap keeps all the extra features that actually help your business grow, not just the technical stuff. Within Growth Tools, select the Local option. You will see it listed with a few other tools. This is the one we want. This feature is specifically designed to boost your visibility right in your own community. It is not for a global audience. It is for the person walking their dog past your shop or searching for your service on their phone a few blocks away. This is the main feature. Click on Become a Local Hero. I love this name because that is exactly what you are about to become in your neighborhood. This button is your ticket to popping up in local search results and maps. It takes you to the dedicated page where you can really dial in your presence for the people who matter most, your local customers. Now you need to start the setup process. Click on Get Started. This is where we actually begin building your local profile. The interface is really clean here, so do not worry about getting lost. Now you need to choose your billing preference. Start with monthly. I always suggest starting with the monthly plan first to test the waters. It gives you a chance to see how the feature works without a big commitment. This is a smart way to get your feet wet. Now compare with the yearly option. Click on Yearly to see the difference. You will notice the price per month drops when you commit for the year. It is a better value if you know this is going to work for you. In my experience, once you see the results, you will want to stick with it, but it is good to know your options. Switch back to monthly for flexibility. Click on Monthly again. I actually recommend sticking with the monthly plan for now. It gives you the freedom to test everything out, make sure the traffic is coming in, and then upgrade later if it makes sense. There is no penalty for switching later. Complete the setup by clicking Get Started. Go ahead and click that button. This might take a moment to process while the system sets everything up. Once it is done, you will have access to all the tools to start attracting those local customers immediately. Your website is no longer just a digital business card. It is now a local magnet. You have taken the most important step to finally connecting with the people right outside your door.